Hello, my name is Chris Van Buskirk. Today I'm teaching math lesson 5.0A1. Use parentheses, brackets, or braces in numerical expressions and evaluate expressions with these symbols. So to introduce this lesson, we start with the math talk. And in this math talk, we're going to discuss an expression and start off by we'll show this expression to students. 24 divided by 4 plus 2 minus 1 times 3. We'll ask the students, what is the value of this expression? And they'll discuss and resolve any differences of opinion. So 24 divided by 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, minus 1, 7 times 3 it should be 21. So again, we'll discuss and resolve any differences of opinion and give the students a chance to discuss their strategies amongst themselves. The big question of the lesson is, how can you change the value of an expression using parentheses? So there's a few different examples of how you can use these exact same numbers to get different values based upon where you place the parentheses. So the parentheses are around the 24 and the 4 in the first expression. So that gives you, 6, 24 divided by 4, and then you complete the rest of the equation. Another way you can get the answer is you can get the answer number 1 if you put the parentheses around the 1 and the 3, and then you can get another answer in number 9 by changing the parentheses again. So depending on where you put the parentheses, you're going to get different answers, changes the outcome. So that's the major concept that we're trying to teach during this lesson. We're going to play a game called the target game, and it's a great game. You're going to get 5 cards, all numbered between 2 and 10, and then you'll have a target number, which you'll get from just flipping over the top card in the deck, and we'll find how many cards you can use to hit that target number. So if the target number was 7, here's an example. You've got these 5 cards here. So one, it would be 7 there. That's obvious. Another way to get there is 9 minus 2 is 7. Another way to get there is 6 plus 1 plus 7 is 14 divided by 2 gives you 7. And finally, 9 plus 7 minus 6 minus 2 minus 1 equals 7. So the more cards you use in this game, the better you're going to do. And the object is to find as many different ways you can to get to that target number. So we'll start the lesson off in large groups, then we'll break off into this activity with groups of 2 or 3. And then after that, we'll summarize and assess in a large group. We'll get back and we'll talk about the different strategies that they used. And we want to make sure that they're comfortable with the conventional order of operations, the use of parentheses, the standards for mathematical practice. They're going to reason abstractly and quantitatively, attend to precision, and make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Accommodations for ELL and learning disabilities. Students with learning disabilities will provide calculators, word processing. This lesson involves multiple means of representation as they use manipulatives with cards. They talk, collaborate with their students and get direct instruction from their teacher as well. So thank you very much. That concludes it. Thank you.